guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is October 4th, the 4th day of the 31 days of Halloween, and today I've created a sort of witch look. I've seen somebody do this on Pinterest. I don't know their name or anything. I just seen a picture of it. If you know who it is, you can comment down below. But that's who I got the inspiration from. So if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So I already have one eye done as always, and first we are going to go into the James Charles and Morphe palette and pick up the shade, what's it called? You're Kidding. And I'm going to take that on this little brush here. I'm going to put that all over my crease. Because this is going to be a pretty dark look. Now with this flat brush here, I'm going to be going into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette and picking up the shade Red Ochre. And then we're going to just pack that all over the lid. Well, not on the outer half of the lid, pretty much. And now with this brush here, I'm going to add a little bit of black in the outer corner. Then I'm going to go back into that flat brush and use that to help blend out that black. And then I'll go back into that first brush, and then just blending this out, or blending it together. And then for the inner half of the lid, I'm going to go into this Bare Minerals palette and use the middle shade called Crimson Sunset. And I'm just taking that on my finger and putting that all over the first half of the lid. Now I'm going to go into this little Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to take this shade here, and I'm just going to tap a little bit of that on top of where we just put that first lid shade on, and we're doing that just to give it a little bit more sparkle. That is all for the eyes for now. I'm going to go ahead and do my base makeup, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I finished up this eye and I have all of my base makeup done. So at first I'm going to take this brush here, the one that we took the red shade, the first red shade on, and put that all over my lower lash line. Next I'm going to take the second brush we took, which is the flat one, taking the second shade we took, which is that Red Ochre from the Anastasia palette, and put that right under that, or right over that. Then on this little angled brush here, I'm going to take a black shade and add that right next to my lower lash line. And I'm also going to add a little bit of a sort of smoky liner to the top part by taking that same brush and some black liner. And then from the James Charles palette, I'm going to take the shade Ring Light and just put that in my inner corner. Alright, so for the face, I'm going to take this big fluffy angled brush here and put that into the Red Ochre shade from the Anastasia palette. And then I'm going to kind of use that to make like a contour. I'm going to go into the brighter red shade from the James Charles palette and use that a little bit over this red. But not too much because I don't want it too bright. Now I'm going to take that red and that same brush and just put it all over the tip of my nose. And now going back into the Anastasia palette and taking that red again and putting it in the same place. Now I'm going to take this black eyeliner and I'm going to draw just like a half or like crescent moon right here on my forehead. Then I'm just going to color it in like on the top, at the bottom, and on the edges. Now on my finger, I'm going to take the red from the Anastasia palette and just tap that on the empty space on that. And now with this angled brush, I'm going to go into a black eyeshadow and pack that all over where we put the black eyeliner. Now for the lips, I'm going to take the Illamasqu lipstick in the shade Midnight. It's just this, basically just a red lipstick. And just put that all over my lips. Now I'm going to take this angled brush again and go into the black eyeshadow and pack that on the edges of this red lipstick just so it's not as bright. Now I'm just going to take some concealer on this little angle brush and just clean up my lipstick. Now for mascara, I'm going to be taking this Maybelline Mash Sensational Mascara and just putting a light layer over my lashes because we're going to be adding on some fake lashes. Now I'm just going to tightline my eyes a little bit. Now to add a little bit of highlighter, and then this look will be finished. Alright, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you Alright, this is the final look, and I hope you enjoy watching. If you want to see what I create for the next video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, which will be tomorrow. And just thanks for watching. Bye.